Right, so basically we are going to be building some, well not some, we're going to be building a gate out of sapele. All the timber's been machined up, everything's nice and square. These are a couple of offcuts of the boards that I need to turn into tongue and groove. Now, purely because of the time restrictions and the price of the actual cutter that I want, it's not the cheapest, and this is a almost like a one-off kind of thing. The tongue and groove boards are going to be made out of a slot cutter. The one that I believe I have on the router at the moment is about 6.5 mil, and the depth of it is about 10 mil. So this timber here is what we're going to be using, and we're going to be cutting it in that one there. So if we just release this, that's been released. Now what we want to do is we want to try and get that cutter in the middle of the timber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where we are, smack bang in the middle of the timber, sorry. And this is exactly 15 mil. We are going to go 7.5 mil. 7.5 right there. Okay, so we found the center of that, and now we want to put that in the middle and adjust this so that the cutter is smack bang in the middle, somewhere there, right? And depth wise, we only really want to go about 6 mil in. Let's go 7. So we're going to go 7 mil in, and this is the center line here, that's the 7 mil in, and all we're going to do is just offer it up. It's thereabouts, that's good enough. Just need to remember which side is face up. We're just going to bring this out a bit and see where we are. Now that we've got our grooves, we want to make sure that our tongue on the other one lines up exactly. So what we're going to do is just going to put it on a flat surface like so, line that up, and we're going to mark out exactly where that needs to be. One there and one there. Bring this around and drop this so that ever so slightly skimming it. Right, so that's there. Lock that in place. And then what we've got to do is this one here. We can then unlock this, drop it down a bit more, tad bit more, somewhere there. Snidge it up. Right, lock that one in position, flip that one over. Right, so just on the face side, we're just going to give a bit of an arris there, take the edge off there, take the edge off there, and take the edge off there. So that when these boards go together, like so, we've got a nice detail there, and everything goes together perfect. And that's it.